This strategy works exclusively on OTC markets. First, set the zigzag indicator with a deviation of 5, a depth of 18, and a backstep of 3. These zigzag settings are optimal for our specific target and parameters, in combination with our simple moving average, then set to a period of 37. Ensure that you have the SMA enabled in your settings for this strategy to work effectively. I will show you on how to trade by using these powerful indicators that will achieve you to success. We're trading for $20 per entry, and we've got already achieved $1,000 in our trading session. Make sure to pick the right currencies to trade. At least 85% up return or ROI. We will use the Heikin-Ashi candle with a 5-second interval with a duration period of 15 seconds. These settings will result in a higher win rate. Let's focus on trading high-return OTC currencies. Take a look at this. We have a crossing of moving average and with our Heikin-Ashi candles. Our zigzag stops at this point, and will be pointing out soon going upward. Let's trade up on this. The zigzag already points upward, and this is good to trade for 15 seconds. Got a winning trade on that. Let's find another crossing signals with another OTC currencies. We can also trade on this spot as reversal, which in case that this previous trend lines got shifting for reversals. And a good opportunity here to trade going up, as it already creates a reversal pattern with uptrend Heikin-Ashi candles. But we will trade with our designated method. A good spot to trade here. It nearly reaches the 37 simple moving average, and our trend goes up. It is advisable to trade for 15 seconds. And a winning trade on that. This appears to be a perfect downtrend spot. Let's trade lower on it, hoping the trend will continue downward for the next 15 seconds. It's a 50-50 situation, but the trend goes up instead. As we can see, our timer switches from 15 seconds to 1 minute. This makes things worse, and our strategy will likely not succeed. We have selected a standard currency pair here, the USD CAD, which automatically changes the duration to 1 minute. And it's advisable to trade only with OTC pairs. Got our losing trade on that. See the rest of the video on how do I perform the zigzag and simple moving average crossing strategy. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. You can visit and download our premium strategies at ultimatefxtools.com.